Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Figma files on mobile. First, ensure you have the official Figma mobile application installed on your device. This app is specifically designed for viewing and presenting your Figma designs, offering a seamless experience for reviewing projects away from your desktop. It connects directly to your Figma account, giving you instant access to all your files, prototypes, and team projects right in the palm of your hand. To begin, navigate to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Figma and look for the official application. Once you find it, proceed to download and install the app, which is completely free. After installation, open the app and log in using your existing Figma account credentials. This step securely connects your mobile device to all your cloud-based Figma projects. Once logged in, the Figma mobile app presents an interface similar to your desktop version, showing your recent files and team projects. You can easily browse through your different teams and projects to find the specific design you need. For quicker access, utilize the search bar at the top to filter through your extensive library. Simply tap on any file thumbnail to open it, allowing you to view its contents instantly. After opening a file, you can interact with your design using intuitive touch gestures. Pinch your fingers on the screen to zoom in and out, examining details, or getting an overview of the entire canvas. Swipe left or right to effortlessly navigate between different artboards or pages within your project. You can also add comments directly onto the design, providing valuable feedback to your team members in real time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.